US President Donald Trump on Monday said he has not spoken directly with Xi Jinping, even as he reiterated that the United States maintains a very good relationship with China. He also noted that Xi wants the ongoing West Asia conflict to come to an end. Speaking to reporters at the White House, Trump emphasized the positive ties between the two nations. However, responding to a question from CNN about intelligence inputs and possible engagement with Beijing, he clarified that no direct conversation had taken place with the Chinese leader. He also warned that China would face serious consequences if it provided military assistance to Tehran, saying such a move would create big problems for Beijing. Amid these developments, Trump confirmed that his previously postponed visit to China has now been rescheduled for May 14th and 15th in Beijing. In a post on Truth Social, he stated that he and First Lady Melania Trump would also host Xi and Madam Peng in Washington, D.C. later this year as part of a reciprocal visit. He described the upcoming engagements as historic and a monumental event, with officials from both sides currently finalizing preparations. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt confirmed that the earlier delay was due to U.S. military operations in the Middle East, adding that she understood the need for Trump to remain in the country during that period.